Prepare for the ultimate display of power. These forestry machines are built to conquer any challenge, from towering trees to treacherous terrain. Witness their incredible strength and precision in action. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, I want to show you something really cool. This is the Willapiwa Dwuwawowa WD-200/240/M, and it's like the ultimate sawing machine. It's got two arbors equipped with multiple circular saw blades, allowing for simultaneous cutting of a single workpiece into multiple pieces. The blade spacing is adjustable, giving you precise control over the width of each cut. This translates to increased efficiency and reduced waste. This saw is perfect for anyone who wants to get the job done fast. You see these trees? They're not your average trees. They're leaning, they're unpredictable, and they're a real danger to anyone nearby. Luckily, we've got these two brave guys who know exactly what they're doing. It's a delicate operation, but they're up for the challenge.
Down. Oh, it's gonna disconnect. There we go. Oh man!
Oh my goodness!
2 trees in one, man.
Sick, look at that!
Nice. Also,
Yeah.
Ever wondered how a sawmill operates? Well, today's your lucky day. We're going to delve deep into the fascinating process of transforming raw timber into sleek, usable lumber. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes look you won't forget. Hey there, lumberjack. Ever wished you could waltz with a giant? Well, the Ponce Ergo 8W Harvester is your dance partner. This beauty's got a swanky rotating cabin, a purring Mercedes engine, and a crane that'll make you feel like a conductor leading a symphony of trees. Come on, let's get this show on the road. The 525 cat grapple is a beast. Powerful, precise, and built for these exact conditions. Watch how it effortlessly maneuvers through the muck, grabbing those logs with unwavering grip. This is precision logging at its finest. Wow, this sawmill, while compact, is remarkably efficient. Observe the precision of the blade and the smooth operation of the log carriage. A testament to thoughtful engineering and quality craftsmanship, it's truly captivating to witness.
Very good.
The moment this guy walked in with a chainsaw, I knew something was off. All I can say is that this guy had more confidence in his abilities than anyone I've ever seen.
Look at you. I'm glad we got that on tape.
Wow, just by watching this video, you wouldn't believe this is a homemade wood splitter. This guy has seriously upgraded it with an optimized return mechanism, carbon dioxide separation, and central lubrication. The efficiency is off the charts. You know, getting that bark off is the first thing you gotta do with any log. Well, the ZE905 debarker from Balger and Zembrod, it's a real workhorse. Adjust to the log for a clean peel every time, and talk about easy to use. Remote control, built tough. It's no wonder loggers are raving about it. This isn't just about a machine and a stump, people. It's a metaphor for the struggle between progress and tradition. The K700 represents our drive to innovate, while the stump embodies the enduring power of the past. Perhaps it's a reminder that we should respect the delicate balance between the two. Wow, check out this awesome old saw. It's been here since 1954, can you believe it? Back in the day, this thing was a real game changer. Instead of all that back and forth, it could cut a whole log into planks in one go. Talk about a time saver. It's amazing to think about all the stories it could tell. The workers, the wood, the hustle and bustle. Even though it's quiet now, it still speaks volumes about a bygone era. Whether a tree is large or small, cutting it down is never a simple task. Check out the Logset 5 FGT forwarder and Macera 71 crane, a dream team for any logging operation. This powerful combo boasts incredible reach, smooth handling, and a spacious, comfy cabin. Plus, it's fuel efficient, so you can save some green while moving those logs. Pretty awesome, right? Imagine this. You're out in the forest, the sun is shining, and you're operating the most efficient and powerful logging equipment on the market. That's the feeling you get with the Logset TH65 and Komatsu 911. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it with ease and confidence. This duo empowers you to work smarter, not harder. Gebruder Hosenfeld is at the top of their game. They've got this state-of-the-art link technology that turns ordinary logs into premium lumber. It's not just about efficiency, though. They're committed to sustainability, using every bit of those larch, Douglas fir, and spruce trees. That's what makes them a true industry leader. This Reiko, AT75? Oh, it's a game changer, no doubt. The 15-degree tilt with rock-solid stability is impressive. And the camera system? Forget about blind spots, folks. You've got eyes everywhere. Reiko nailed it with the safety features, but they didn't skimp on power either. That 75-foot cutting range is just ridiculous, in the best way possible. This machine is built to dominate. Oh my gosh, you guys, check this out. This excavator is insane. It's like 3 machines in one. You can excavate, winch, and yard, all with the same machine. Can you believe it? The yarder is perfect for those longer pulls, the winch is great for shorter distances, and the excavator can handle anything you throw at it. And look at it go in the video. It's a beast.